Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your Apple ID and enabling iCloud photos on the iPhone. This links your library. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and plug into power so large transfers won't pause. Make sure you have adequate iCloud storage. If you're near quota, free space, or upgrade to avoid sync failures. Now go to Settings, tap your name, choose iCloud Photos, and turn it on. This initiates the upload/download handshake between iCloud and your iPhone. You decide how photos are stored. Choose download and keep originals to keep full files or optimize to save local space. This affects how quickly images appear on your iPhone. Originals take longer and use more storage. Once set, open Photos and monitor progress in the library, and for You tabs, iOS shows downloading indicators. If many items queue, pause by toggling iCloud Photos off and on, or reboot the device to force the sync agent to refresh and continue transferring. After transfers complete, scan albums, recents, and live photos to confirm everything arrived. If some photos are missing, first restart your iPhone, then sign out and back into your Apple ID to re-establish iCloud tokens. Make sure you have local free space and that Apple's iCloud Photos service is online. Visit system status on another device. If problems persist, force a manual sync by toggling iCloud Photos off and on, then wait. This usually resolves stuck uploads or downloads.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.